As a teacher, I have often observed that students in classroom giggle and smirk when they hear words such as pregnancy, abuse and particularly periods. और ये मैं किसी गांव के स्कूल की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, शहरों में भी लोग इन शब्दों को यूज़ करने से झिझकते हैं. You might think that the world has changed a lot, and yes, it is changing, but it is surprising to know that so many areas are still left untouched by change. Today on 20th May, as we celebrate Menstrual Hygiene Management Day, let us have an open, humane and sensitive discussion on menstruation and menstrual hygiene. Period. What are periods? Periods is a natural way of the body to get rid of tissues which are unwanted and no longer needed by the body. It happens every month in women and young girls. Many people have a lot of myths around it. They call it an illness, they call it a girl's problem. They see the blood as impure and that phase as dirty in a woman's life. No, this is not an illness, and there are no toxins released in the menstrual flow, so the blood is not impure or dirty. And every girl has a right to menstrual hygiene. Now, what is menstrual hygiene? As per good menstrual hygiene management, every girl in their adolescence and women who are menstruating, they should have access to clean menstrual management cloth, clean menstrual management product to collect or absorb the blood. They should have access to clean washrooms. They should have access to soap and water and proper disposal methods. If menstrual hygiene is not maintained, it can be hazardous for the health of the women as it can cause serious infections. Do you know that so many women in India have to drop out of schools due to menstruation? And so many girls have not even heard of sanitary napkins, let alone see it. There's a very small percentage of girls and women who use the basic form of menstrual hygiene product, which is this disposable sanitary napkin. So what about the rest of them? The rest of the women, due to lack of awareness and due to belief that periods are a dirty phase in women's life, have long been deprived of menstrual hygiene management. I would suggest that you watch the beautiful Oscar-winning documentary called Period, End of Sentence, which is a 25 minutes long documentary. It's available online. And you can also watch the feature film Padman. Both of these go on to show that how periods are a taboo in India and what are the struggles that women face due to it. It is a fundamental right of every woman to be able to manage their periods in a hygienic way and without feeling ashamed. Let us be aware and spread awareness about it. Period.